Welcome to another VideoPad Video Editor tutorial. Easy to follow step-by-step instructions. Hey everyone, today I'm going to review how to save your video after you're through with all your editing so that you can upload it later on to YouTube. Now, we will be starting with the export video button. But before we get started, I'd like to mention, if you get an error message trying to save your video, it is probably due to a registration or license issue. And I suggest that you search YouTube for VideoPad Video Editor registration. And you will probably find videos that will help you resolve your problem. Okay, I've already loaded my very short video onto the timeline here. And now we are going to save it onto our hard drive so that later on we can manually upload it to YouTube. The main thing that you will need to know is your aspect ratio, the size of your video. And if you're not sure, you can right-click on your video file and down here at the bottom, click on Properties, and the Clip Properties dialog box will open up. And you can see the dimension and the aspect ratio. As you can see, the dimension of this little clip is 1920 by 1080, and the aspect ratio is 16 by 9. And 16 by 9 is the aspect ratio for YouTube videos, for all of the horizontal YouTube videos. If you are using a vertical aspect ratio, it will be different. Okay, we start by clicking on Export Video, and then we choose Video File. You can upload directly to YouTube, but that is not the focus of our video today. So I'm going to choose Video File. And the first thing I need to do when I get to this Export Video dialog box is I need to give it a name. And I'm just going to give this a very quick name, Test. Now, I strongly recommend that you double check where your video is being saved to, because there's nothing more frustrating than saving a video and not being able to find it. So I'm going to very quick click on my Save To folder and make sure it's saving where I want it. And yes, we're going to save this to VideoPad Intro Outro. That's fine. That's the folder I want. So I'm going to click on Save. I don't want to set this as a default location because I always change where I am saving my different videos. Now, from the preset drop-down menu, you see many options. If your video is in 1080, you can select 1080. If you have a higher resolution, you can select them from here. Now, if you have recorded using a vertical video, then you would need to choose one of these settings down here. I record at 1080, so I'm going to click on 1080p high definition. File format. The most common file formats are MP4 and AVI. We are just going to leave this as MP4. We have already set the resolution when we chose our preset here, and here it is confirmed. It's 1920 by 1080, 1080 HD. Okay. Widescreen fit, I always choose stretch. I want to make sure that my video fills the entire screen and that there are no black bars. Frame rate, I usually do not touch. And subtitle, unless you have a subtitle, I also do not touch this. At this point, you simply click on the Create button, and the export queue comes up. And depending on the length of the video and how much editing you have done and the resolution, this can take anywhere from a couple seconds, like that one just did, to an hour. I'm now going to close this dialog box, and I have done. I have exported my video to my hard drive, and now I can upload it manually to YouTube anytime I wish. If you'd like to see other VideoPad tutorials, please leave a suggestion in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and if you enjoy gardening, please visit my playlist from the link in the description. See you later, bye!